This one-of-a-kind unique country contemporary home is privately situated on 9+ acres, with lovely manicured landscaping, and is Botetourt County approved for horses. The entrance is very secluded, with stone columns, and the driveway is lined with beautiful mature trees. Here's the right side and front, with upper and lower sunrooms. The main level front entrance has a ceramic tile foyer that leads to a hot tub room, family living room, and one garage. This entry-level family or living room has the charm of wood ceiling beams, a beautiful brick wall, and new wood floors. The brick wall encompasses the wood stove, has built-in bookshelves, a hanging shelf, and cubbyhole for wood or storage. There's plenty of natural light from the insulated windows throughout the home. The gourmet kitchen has oak cabinets, granite countertops, glass tile backsplash, and a Whirlpool dishwasher. There is under-the-counter lighting, with 15 different colors. The butler's pantry is a partially brick-walled insert. Off the kitchen is a large walk-in pantry with plenty of shelves and a storage cabinet. With appliances like the GE Profile Smooth Top Range, unique overstove Whirlpool lighted exhaust fan, and Whirlpool double refrigerator, plus a view to the sunroom and pool, cooking is a pleasure. Across from the kitchen is the sunroom, with separate heat and air conditioning, overlooking the courtyard, pool and ornamental fish pond. The dining room is off the kitchen. The office adjoins the dining room, has a closet, and across the hall is an updated full bathroom. It could be used as a servant's or guest bedroom. The bathroom has a tub shower combo with ceramic tile floors and tub surround. Upstairs are the master bedroom, 3 other bedrooms, upper main bathroom, laundry, and in-law or guest quarters, with 2 more bedrooms. The wide balcony overlooks the main level, outside pool, and courtyard. There are new engineered Mohawk tobacco wood floors throughout the house. The master bedroom has a double closet, ceiling fan, a door to the main upstairs bathroom and another to the hallway balcony. Bedroom number 2 has a ceiling fan, walk-in closet and picture window, with side windows, overlooking the pool and ornamental fish pond. The updated upstairs main bathroom has a deep tub shower combo, with ceramic tile surround, can lighting, linen closet and double sink vanity. The extra-large upstairs laundry room has ceramic flooring, a full wall to hang clothes, lots of built-in shelves, a 200-amp electric box, and pull-down door to attic. There's a laundry chute from the upper main bath. Bedroom number 3 has a picture window, with side windows, and wood blinds. It overlooks the ornamental fish pond. Bedrooms number 3 and 4 are Jack and Jill bedrooms. Here's looking into bedroom number 4 from number 3. Bedroom number 4 has special painted murals. Bedroom number 4 could be used as a separate suite or child's playroom. Here's the view to bedroom number 3 from number 4. Entering the guest quarters is a huge great room with cathedral ceilings, built-in bookshelves, ceiling fan, and can lighting. The triple-size picture window, with side windows, overlooks the pool and courtyard. The full kitchen has enough room for a dining area. There are all new appliances, oak cabinets, and an eat-at bar. The hall from the great room leads to bedrooms number 5 and number 6, 2 large closets, and a full bath. The door on the right is to the upper-level sunroom. Here's a look at bedroom number 5. The fully updated bathroom has a tub shower combo, with handicap bar, a linen closet, ceramic tile flooring, and skylight. Bedroom number 6 has a double closet and picture window, with side windows. The view from bedroom number 6 is gorgeous. The upper sunroom leads to the guest quarters great room. It also has an outside entrance exit. There are beautiful mountain views from the upper sunroom exterior door. The backyard has plenty of room for gardening and other activities. The center door, between the 2 single-car garages, leads to a room that is separate from the rest of the house. It could be used as a guest bedroom, game or rec room, office, etc. and has separate heat. The bathroom has a fully updated tub shower combo, with ceramic tile floors. The saltwater spring spa hot tub is in a separate room off the main floor front foyer, just steps away from the outside pool. Garage number 1 is oversized, with a utility sink tub, concrete parking pad and has an entrance to the main level foyer. The iron-fenced courtyard has an in-ground saltwater pool and stamped concrete walkway. A handrail and steps make for easy entrance to the pool. Serve your guests drinks and food from the Tiki-Hut. The pool house stores all of the pool equipment. This gate exits to the Ornamental Fish Pond. Exiting the pool and sunroom are a Japanese arched walking bridge over the Ornamental Fish Pond, stone walls, and steps to the backyard. The bridge allows you to walk over the pond, with its beautiful landscaping, while heading to the backyard steps. The pond has lots of beautiful ornamental fish. What lovely sights and sounds from the waterfall that flows into the pond. The stepping stones from up front lead to the left side and around back. The backyard has plenty of room for gardening or other activities. This building behind the home can be used for a shed, or a barn and tack room. What a paradise with the abundance of multi-use formal landscaping. The long views at the rear show the pasture and stretches of mountains in the distance. The pasture extends further back on the property. There are more pastures in front. And to the side. You won't want to leave as you look back at the beautiful view. Head down the driveway, with the lovely landscaping. Mature trees. And of course those regal stone columns. Thank you for touring this one-of-a-kind property online. Please contact the realtor in the Roanoke Valley or Rockbridge Highlands MLS for a showing today.